It is so good to be back this week with kind of an interesting take on snacks. This video is going to cover or kind of qualify for several different areas. One, it is cooking with Chris. It is a cooking with Chris episode, however. It is also going to contain the video information about how to make keto-friendly snacks, low-carb snacks, things that you can reach for when you're on your weight loss journey, if you are, and they're so delicious, it doesn't really matter. They're great to have around as a snack, regardless, because there's low calorie, low carb, and everybody's kind of interested in that anyway. Before I go on with this though, what I would like for you to do, if you have not done so already, is to please subscribe to the channel and hit the little bell so that you get updates when the new videos are live. We have videos coming to you on health and wellness, weight loss, diets like keto and paleo. We have those series. We have skincare, which is what I'm known for in the first place. All kinds of skincare hacks, ways to anti-age, ways to end acne breakouts, makeup tutorials, you name it. We got a lot of health and wellness and beauty information for you on the channel. So be sure to dig around for stuff that is of interest to you. So anyway, back to what we're doing today is keto-friendly snacks. Now, the holidays are not far off, and I have a favorite here with me today, which is actually kind of a keto version of the Chex Mix that you serve at parties. This is totally keto friendly. It contains something called moon cheese, and moon cheese is a baked puffed cheese. It's 100% cheese that you can buy already made, or there are recipes for how to do it, and I'll probably do a how-to video on this as well. But this snack mix is great because it takes 2 bags of moon cheese, a bag of turkey jerky, and a bag of beef jerky, and you've got a mix that is great. Now this is totally keto, low carb, Atkins friendly, all of this is. There are no carbohydrates in this. We serve it at parties. It's a great alternative for those people that are trying to watch their weight, especially as we move into, like again, the holiday season that's gonna be coming around the corner very soon. But it's also great to have around to eat. Now, the way you store this is really great. When you buy your jerky, and try to buy jerky that is, you know, as low carb as you can find. Some of them have barbecue sauce, they've had sugar added. So you really want to look at your label and make sure that you have like 1, 2, 3, at max 4 net carbs per serving on that. Then your moon cheese will have no carbs. So, but when you buy the turkey jerky or beef jerky or whatever you want, peppered, whatever, you can use whatever kind you want. When you buy those, save the little moisture reduction packets that come with them and put them in your bag that you store this trail mix, or as I call it, keto trail mix, in. It will keep much longer, it'll keep some moisture out, you can keep it in the refrigerator. These are already processed and ready to be kept, so, and the meat is cured, so it will keep for 4 or 5 days after you open it and mix it together. But if you keep it in the refrigerator, you can get a week out of it if it lasts that long, because it's very, very tasty and it's hard to put down. So now I want to also talk about a couple of other snacks that are great to have. One of the hard things about weight loss or dieting is that hunger pangs happen when they happen. And we go and we reach for whatever we have available in the kitchen. So that being said, it makes sense, right, to have things that we're going to reach for that are going to be low carb or no carb or keto friendly or whatever you're on. So obviously we don't want to keep a lot of processed foods, chips, snacks, ice cream, things like that, if we're trying to watch our weight and trying to diet. It doesn't make a lot of sense. So one of those obviously is bacon. Bacon is a great way to, you know, have a snack ready to go. You can bake it ahead of time, that, you know, 375 degrees for about 25 minutes. Get it nice and crisp. It keeps very well in the refrigerator. Great go-to when you're hungry. Also, pepperoni chips. Now, pepperoni chips are an amazing way to add flavor. I call it Italian bacon. A way to add flavor to your diet program. So those also, you bake those in the oven for 10 minutes. And I'm gonna do a video on that too. There'll be a video on all of these things separated, but the pepperoni chips are delicious because you bake a lot of the fat out and they're crispy. So they also keep very well for several days, and they're very, very tasty and hard to put down. And those you bake in the oven, again, for about 10 minutes at 350 degrees, and you're gonna be shocked. If you've never done this before, they're delicious. The last thing I want to talk about today on this video, as far as a go-to snack, is making your own Parmesan crisps. Parmesan crisps are so easy to make, and they're expensive at the store. Like most places I've gone where you buy a package of them, 3 or 4 ounces of them, it's six bucks. You can buy the Parmesan cheese. It's very easy to do. You're gonna put a little bit of this on a non-stick pan at 400 degrees for 6 to 8 minutes, and you're gonna have these Parmesan crisps. And again, I'm gonna do a separate video on the how-to of it, but the basics of it is, it's a tablespoon of Parmesan cheese, shredded Parmesan cheese on there, and then you crack some black pepper across the top of it, and you bake that for 6 to 8 minutes until they're golden brown, and you take them out, and you have, voila, Parmesan crisps. So very easy to do and much cheaper than buying them already made. Again, these will keep for several days after you make them, and they're absolutely delicious. I hope you find this information helpful as for keto snacks. If you're entertaining, use all of these types of snacks in a mix with your friends that come over there, eat the regular stuff, have the things for them. You want to be a good host. But if you're trying to watch your weight, these are great things to have on hand for you and the other people that you know that are trying to do the same thing, and they'll be very appreciative, and they'll be probably surprised at some of these delicious items that you have to offer. Again, thank you for watching today. This is a fairly short video. It's meant to be, that exactly. Again, I will have videos on how to make each of these items for you, and I look forward to bringing more healthy alternatives and great recipes as we move through the next several months, and we have some great content coming up. So I hope you subscribe, and I hope you stick with us. And again, just one more time, thank you so much for watching, and we will return soon with more for you.